Are you ready to turn your passion for relationships into a profitable YouTube channel? Look no further because in this video, we'll be sharing the secret to making money in the relationship niche. Welcome to Debt Busters, and welcome to another YouTube video. From coming up with video ideas to monetizing your channel with affiliate marketing, we've got you covered. Plus, we'll show you real-life examples of successful channels in this niche and reveal their earning potential. Don't miss out on this opportunity to turn your love for relationships into a lucrative business. Watch until the end and start your journey to YouTube success today. Judging from the demographics information YouTube gives me about my channel, I know that over 85% of you are male. You might think that there's nothing for men to talk about in the relationships niche. And you'd be dead wrong. Very popular relationship channels like Weed Waffles, Mediocre Tutorial Reviews, Darius M, and Please Act Right talk about dating from a purely male perspective, and average 1.8 million views per month. Stay tuned to learn the CPM in this extremely lucrative niche. You might notice the topics of the videos are coming from conversations I have with viewers in the comments section, or from polls in the community post. So be sure to comment on the video and participate in the polls to tell me what kind of content you'd like to see. Subscribe and turn on the post notification. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Starting a faceless YouTube channel in the relationship niche is a great way to share your tips and advice with people looking for love, whether you're a cautious romantic or a hopeless romantic. The relationships niche has the advantage of being an evergreen niche with a high CPM. According to our research, the historical average CPM for the relationships niche ranges between $7.78 and $17 per 1,000 monetized playbacks. When compared to other niches, this is an excellent CPM. So what exactly is the relationship niche all about? A relationship niche channel is a YouTube channel focusing on dating, love, and other relationships. The relationship niche is vast and lucrative. You could write about it for years and always have content ideas. This niche will allow you to talk about a wide range of topics, including dating and relationship advice, marriage tips, friendships topics, family relationships, surviving a breakup, dating advice for women, how to attract men or women, workplace relationships, and even divorce topics if that's what you're interested in. Relationships make up the vast majority of content online, so getting your foot in the door with a niche that has proven popular with many YouTube video viewers is critical. The dating niche is a popular relationship sub-niche that focuses on dating and courtship. It's popular, in high demand, and profitable. Depending on who you ask, the term dating can be interpreted in various ways. For example, if you ask somebody the meaning of dating, you may receive responses such as, to meet socially in order to get to know each other better or to have a romantic relationship with someone. If you decide to start a dating channel, your topics will be aimed at people who are already in a relationship and looking for ways to be more fulfilled in love. The relationship niche is appealing because it is enticing and has numerous sub-niches into which you can venture and begin creating videos. We'll go over some of the most promising relationship sub-niches. The first is love and romance. Love and romance is a broad sub-niche that encompasses all aspects of love, romance, and dating. It's an emotional subject, so it cannot be easy to talk about it logically. Unless they focus on one aspect of love or another, most YouTubers will be able to do so, for example, dating advice for men. You don't have to worry about narrowing down your audience because love and romance covers a broad range of topics, though it may still be worth doing so. The second sub-niche is social media and dating. Social media is a fantastic way to connect with others. Indeed, it is one of the best ways to meet new people and reconnects with old ones. Social media can also help you find love with someone who perfectly matches you. You can use your channel to offer relationship advice when connecting with people online. Here are some examples of topics you could cover: how social media affects your romantic life, how to protect your love from social media, how to interact with people you meet online, how to reclaim your time in relationship. Is social media harmful to relationships? And relationship jealousy on social media. The third sub-niche on the list is long-distance relationships. Long-distance relationships can be challenging, but they do not have to be. After all, if two people truly love each other, they will always find a way to meet, and if necessary, compromise. If you're in one or have been in one, you're aware of the difficulties that come with it. This is why people require advice on how to maintain long-distance relationships. You can help your readers find satisfaction and contentment in their love lives as a long-distance relationship YouTuber. It would help if you discuss topics specific to long-distance relationships, such as how to stay in touch with each other, how to keep your relationship going while living apart from each other, how to deal with loneliness and other issues that arise when you can't see your partner every day, and how to overcome them. You can also talk about how couples in long-distance relationships stay emotionally, physically, and socially connected, even when they aren't physically together all the time. The fourth sub-niche on the list is trust issues. Trust is an essential component of any relationship. It is the glue that holds two people together, the foundation upon which they build their lives, and it can make or break a relationship. What happens, however, when trust is broken? When it comes to trust issues in relationships, there are numerous possibilities, ranging from infidelity to abuse of other people. Each necessitates careful consideration on the part of both parties involved. The best way to approach this topic as a YouTuber or content creator is to investigate what causes trust issues and what can be done to resolve them. Examples of topics for videos in this sub-niche include how to reconnect with your partner after a fight or argument, how to rebuild trust after an affair or betrayal, how to overcome your trust issues, how to prevent trust issues from occurring in the first place, how to know if you can trust someone, navigating trust issues in relationships, and many more. These are some of the sub-niches in the relationships niche where you can create videos. Now we'll show you some example channels that make videos in the relationship niche so you can see how they do it and how much money they make per month. The first channel I'd like to share is Modern Love Potion. According to Social Blade statistics, this channel was created on November 17, 2019, and it currently has 27,000 subscribers. This channel primarily creates videos in the relationship niche, but they also offer advice to couples who have broken up. This channel has a video titled, "The #1 reason why your ex will most likely come back after no contact." This video was uploaded a year ago and had nearly 500,000 views. As can be seen, videos in the relationship niche perform exceptionally well. When you watch this video, you will notice that no one is showing their face. All we can hear is a voiceover and see stock images and footage attempting to explain what the voiceover is saying. Creating this type of video is very simple. Don't worry, we'll explain how to do it in less than 5 minutes. Before we get too far into it, I'm not sure if it's for you. But if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, then have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Just imagine if you had $10,000 more in your bank account every month. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. So how much money does this channel bring in? According to Social Blade statistics, This channel has received 43,837 views in the last 30 days. These views are low because this channel has infrequently been posting within the past month. As a result, Social Blade estimates that they made between $11 and $175. Even though the views were extremely low, the amount estimated needs to be corrected because Social Blade estimates its earnings using a CPM of between 25 cents and $4. Using a historical average CPM of $7.78 to $17, we estimate that this channel made between $341 and $745. The amount is this low because this channel has been uploaded infrequently in the last month. Let me show you another example channel that has frequently been uploading videos. This channel is called Social Psychology Masters. This channel was founded on September 29, 2020, and now has nearly 500,000 subscribers. This channel also makes relationship videos, but their main focus is showing people signs that mean something in their relationship. This channel has a video titled 14 Signs a Guy Likes You, but is trying not to show it. This video was posted 2 years ago and had nearly 3 million views. This demonstrates how well these types of videos perform. When you watch this video, you will notice that the concept remains the same. No one is showing their face. All you can hear is a voiceover, and you see images and videos attempting to explain what the voiceover is saying. So how much money is generated by this channel? According to Social Blade statistics, this channel received 2,380,000 views in the last 30 days and earned between $595 and $9,500. Even though the estimated amount is substantial, it needs to be revised. Using the historical average CPM of $7.78 to $17, we estimate that this channel earned between $18,516 and $40,460. After YouTube deducts its 45%, they get to keep everything else. The benefit of a channel like this is that it can make even more money by using other monetization methods, such as affiliate marketing. How can you create videos like this in the relationships niche? Let's briefly discuss the 5 steps to make videos like this as quickly and efficiently as possible. This should take 1 minute of your time starting now. The first step is to select a niche. That's self-explanatory. It's easier to grow an audience on YouTube if your channel is known for one subject. Step 2 is to look for title ideas. The easiest way to find title ideas is to use software like VidIQ to find trending videos, channel analytics, title suggestions, and keyword suggestions. Step 3 is to brainstorm questions to ask your audience. If you can't come up with any, you can hire a scriptwriter on Upwork to write the entire script for you to use in your videos. Or you can use ChatGPT to get ideas on how to write your script. If you need help with using ChatGPT, you can watch our video that will walk you through everything. You can get to it once you've finished watching this video. Following this, step 4 is for voiceover. If you need a voiceover, Descript can produce it in under 5 minutes. The advantage of using Descript's AI-assisted voice is that these voices sound like normal human voices, making it harder for viewers to discover that you are using AI voices. Step 5 is to look for visuals for your videos. We discovered that since people do not want to show their faces, they use free stock footage. If you need stock footage, Pictory, an AI-assisted video editing software, can help you create copyright-free clips in as little as 5 minutes. You can find links to try VidIQ, Descript, and Pictory AI for free in the description. You'll be able to upload your video to your channel once you've completed all the steps. You now have an idea of how these faceless YouTube channels are made. So how do you get paid after you've created your videos? People are paid through ads that appear in your video. However, there are some prerequisites that you must meet before you can join the YouTube Partner Program. To get into the YouTube Partner Program, your channel must have had 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers in the last 12 months. I recommend that your videos be at least 8 minutes long to accommodate multiple ad breaks. I recommend including an ad every 2 minutes after you've monetized your video, one at the beginning and one at the end. Remember that if your channel is new, you will need more time to earn money. You must first meet the YouTube requirements. In the meantime, you could use affiliate marketing. How do you get links to the products and programs you want to promote? Depending on your niche, there are a lot of affiliate markets where you can find products and programs to market. There are 2 websites to choose from, digistore.com and clickbank.com. Once you've created an account with any of these 2, there are hundreds of products and services to promote. Look for a product similar to what you're discussing in the video. Provide the link to it in the description and pin it in the comments section. All that remains is for you to notify viewers of the links you shared in that video. It is critical to note that if an affiliate product is related to the content they were viewing, the likelihood of them purchasing it skyrockets. As a result, choosing a product related to the video you're creating is critical for earning a second income. Since you specialize in the relationship niche, you can also monetize your channel by charging people for mentorship. You can choose to act as a counselor or therapist for those couples who are having problems. You will have to listen to their issues, and they will pay you for solving them in exchange. You can do this virtually through Zoom meetings and Google Meet. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this. What are your thoughts on the relationships niche? Do you want to start a channel in this niche to make money? Please share your thoughts in the section below. We love hearing from you. Are you ready to take your YouTube earnings to the next level? If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about how to make money with YouTube cash cow channels, then you don't want to miss this exclusive offer. Our friend Matt Parr has put together a 100% free course that teaches you his secret growth tactics for making up to $30,000 each month online. And for a limited time, he's offering an exclusive upsell to his course. With this course, you'll get access to even more advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing your YouTube earnings. You'll learn how to create and monetize multiple cash cow channels, how to optimize your videos for maximum views and revenue, and much more. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube success to the next level. Click the link below to learn more and sign up for the upsell now. You'll be glad you did. Now what the relationship niche is all about. That, however, won't help you if you're interested in getting step-by-step guidance to create a successful cash cow YouTube channel. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know how I'd build a successful cash cow YouTube channel in 2023. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.